Okay, guys, I head operations at Mumbai Angel, which is in a 5-year-old angel club in India. Uh, we are operating out of Mumbai, have around 150 members. So this was started in 2006 by two gentlemen with an objective to create done by any angel group. We invest anywhere around 100,000 to $500,000, and in 5 years period we have invested, I think, in 50 companies. Have taken a few successful exit. The marquee happened to be in Mobi, which I guess if you all use smartphone, the advertisement which is posted is through their mobile, their platform. Excuse me.
Somebody asking for money.
So that happens to be one of our few investment in India companies based out of Bangalore. Today they have presence in 55 countries, top line of around $500 million, and I think recently they raised $200 million from SoftBank. So primarily we are angel investors, and we have a professional team of 5 people based out of Mumbai, and we evaluate all business plan not only from India but outside. Though the primary focus is to invest in company from India, but we have invested in a couple of companies outside India. So with this, I think I can wind up. In case you have any queries, would be happy to add.
Two key questions. Number one, what's the sweet spot in terms of quantum of investment? Remind me again.
It's $100,000 to $500,000.
And how do people approach you? Have you got a sort of a process, or do you run one of these
So we
software
do.
platforms?
No, we do have a process. The best way to reach out us is you can visit our website. The details are available. You can make an online application, or you can drop a email, and that is routed to our screening committee. And we follow a 6-week process. We meet 8 times in a year, and on average, we had been funding 1+ company every month. Not 2, but 1+.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.